Look what he has.
Square button. But wait.
But wait, there's more. Ooh, that's the Montgomery thing.
What's that?
Look, it's got the Montgomery logo.
Oh, it's got a staggered COP.
Oh, wow.
This is neat.
I want to push. Fuck you.
You didn't do it in a second ride.
Okay.
Because we're going on a second ride.
Apparently. Oh, that is the phone cabinet.
What the hell? The whole directory.
Montgomery.
Okay.
That's loud.
Let's listen to the motor.
Original call out here. Oh, it's,
Yeah.
sounds like a dentist up here.
Not so fast. Montgomery. Bumpers was replaced with a sensor.
There's your panel.
It's very nice.
I like how the corners of the indicator are a little rounded.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a nice little touch. Original button.
Wow. It's just the first floor call station was replaced for fire service.
Yeah, probably for fire service.
Just phase 1 though, because there's no phase 2 here.
I'm sure that's what it was then. I love the way square buttons press.
Yeah.
So very nice and clicky. Takes like 3 times as long to level as it does to travel.
Yep. It's pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's neat though. Glad it's still original. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. Probably a 70s one, not 60s.